Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. You got the error code VAL5. The game has lost connection. Please relaunch the client to restore the connectivity. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, right click on Riot client and choose the option properties. Click on the compatibility tab and make sure you check mark this particular option. Run this program as an administrator. Once it is done, hit apply and OK button. Now nextly is do a hard reset of your router. To do so, turn off your router, unplug all the cables from your router, wait for at least 3 to 4 minutes and then replug your router to the power supply and then try to connect your system with your router Wi-Fi and then launch the game to check if you are still getting the issue of Valorant error code VAL5. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. First of all, if you have opened Riot client, close it. Here also it is available. Right click on it and choose the option exit. After closing the Riot client, click on the start menu and type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Type here a command sc delete vgc and then hit the enter key. Now type again sc delete vgk and then hit the enter key. Once it is done, close it. Now make sure to restart your PC, else this command will not work. After restarting, head over to C drive, program files, and here you will find a folder with the name Riot Vanguard. You need to right click on it and choose the option delete. Like I have not restarted my PC, that is the reason this folder will not delete. You can see right over here. So make sure to restart your PC and delete this folder with the name Riot Vanguard. After deleting the folder, again launch Riot client. It will ask you to update the system. Go ahead, log in. Once you are logged in, it will ask you to update. Click on it and choose the option update. And once the update is completed, go ahead and launch the game to fix out the issue of the game has lost connection. Please relaunch the game to restore connectivity with error code VAL5. If this also failed, right click on start menu and choose option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Here right click on your Wi-Fi and choose the option properties. Here first of all disable the option IPv6. Now click on IPv4 and hit the properties option. Click on the option second, use following DNS address and type in 8.8.8.8 and in alternate type 8.8.4.4. Then hit the OK button. Now click on the start menu, type CMD. Run CMD as an administrator. Type here ipconfig // DNS. Once it is done, close it. Close this one also. Now go ahead, launch Riot client and click on the play option to fix out the issue of Riot Vanguard Valorant error code VAL5. If this also failed, open up your browser and simply search Riot account login. Even I'll share the link of this website in the description of this video. From here, you need to log in into your Riot client. Log in using your user ID and password. Now once you are logged in, click on the option Login Management. From here, click on the option Logout Everywhere. Click on the confirm button. Once you are logged out, you will be logged out from this particular screen also. Now go ahead, close it. Now again, once the update is finished, relaunch the Riot client, log in right from here, and this will hopefully fix out the issue of Valorant error code VAL5. Now if all the method fails, again open up your Riot client, click on your account settings and choose the option sign out. Once you sign out, go ahead and log in with any other username. Yes, do not use your own username and try to log in with your friend or someone else login account. Once you log in with someone else login account, again click on your user account and choose the option sign out. After signing out, go ahead, log in with your actual username and password. This is a simple trick, however, works for many of the users, so make sure you try this trick also. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue watching Lotus Geek. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.